fighting over who got to actually go last, so we can say something like, they saved the best for last, right? I'm Peggy Littleton. I'm your County Commissioner for District 5, and I'm running again, and I'm excited to serve you. In 90 seconds, really all I can do is remind you about 3 things that you already know about me. First, that I not only believe in, but I fight for your constitutional rights of preserving and protecting those of the United States Constitution. Second, I fought for personal property rights, and I fought for the things that matter for government minimization, those things that are for promoting private enterprise. And last and finally, I'm the woman with the backbone. I really don't care about popular public opinion. I live by the mantra that there's no right way to do the wrong thing. I've never done it, and I'm not about to start now. I'm going to need your help again this year to continue to fight for our freedom. I ask you to join me, Peggy Littleton, because what you see is what you get. PeggyLittleton.org.